Hi guys, this is Eva from Ben Spark Family Adventures, and today I thought I'd show you guys how I'm doing my Scar costume makeup for the Grand Estate Comic Con. So I did a whole video on what I'm wearing to Grand Estate Comic Con, so you can go check that out up there in the iCard. So my warrior has quite a few scars and bangs and bruises. So I thought I'd show you guys how I'm doing the makeup for Comic-Con. And so basically what you'll need to just do the scars is a beige eyebrow pencil or eyeliner. I'm just using this inexpensive e.l.f. one from CVS. I have this red-ish Bare Minerals matte eyeshadow. It's very important it has to be matte for it to look right. And then I have, oh, that's not for this part, but it is for later in the video. And just a brush with a thin side and a thicker flat side, which I do use both sides. So I have a mirror over here that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is go on this eye, above this eye, and do just a big scar. Mine goes from usually a little bit like right here, because I have a wig, so I don't want it to be covered, like swallowed by the wig. So from here to I do just under my nose. So I'm just gonna quickly, nope, I'm sorry, that's the wrong side. This is the side. Alright, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be the same every time. So down here is doing it underneath your eye is really tricky. Doing it above your eye is no problem. But usually for this part I go up. So just like this, to as close to under the eye as I can. And so one of the other scars that my character has is one right across her nose, just like this. And she has some other gashes and bruises. So, I mean, for a more beat up character you can go a little bit wild, but this is just the basics of how I do mine. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the red eyeshadow. This color is SF Savvy by Bare Minerals. And I'm going to get a little bit on the thin end of my brush, which is really important that you get it on the thin end and not the other thin-ish end. But I just get it on the one that's a little bit more of a tip. Then I'm going to go over here and just trace over the makeup, the original sketches with the eyeshadow. And I try and blend it out as much as I can. So sometimes I'll use my fingers, but there you go. And then I'm just gonna do the others. With the one on my chin, I like to kind of drag it underneath my chin so it doesn't just suddenly stop kind of in the middle of nowhere. So I want to do my littler scars first before I do the big one to kind of warm up. But there's the beginning of that. I'm going to get just a little bit more on my brush and go over the one on her nose. So, alright, there's the nose, and I'm going to move on to the big scar. And I try and keep it as thin as possible when I'm doing the eye makeup. And I try not to go through my eyebrow because it does not come out very easily. Sorry about all the weird faces I make in this video, but... Alright, so here is our basic scar makeup. And I just tied my hair back so that it wouldn't get in my face while I'm doing everything. Alright, so if you just want to do scars, you can stop here. But to get the full makeup look for my character, I'm going to be using gold eyeliner. I have a little sharpener here just in case. A purple eyeshadow palette and red lipstick. And I also... So here's the eyeshadow. I just did my eyeliner. That's about it. So this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. I'm going to do a little bit of this red color 305 CoverGirl lipstick. I'm going to wipe it off. And then I have this darker purpley lip gloss from my grandmother that she never used. So then I'm going to put that on over it. So let's get into that. It's going to get wiped off so I don't try and do it perfectly. You could just leave it on, but I don't like how harsh it is. So just add this much more toned down purple. And guys, that's it. So this is how you do my elf warrior makeup. And you can definitely go a lot darker on the scars. I went really light, but I really like how this turned out. So this is Eva from BenSpark Family Adventures. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter as BenSpark, at facebook.com/BenSparkFamilyAdventures. And you can find us here making new videos almost every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, I'm going to be doing quite a few more of these makeup, like mythical makeup tutorials, because I'm really enjoying these. So please go look for that. If it's like a week or two in the future, then they'll be up here in the iCard. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.